Hello, this is my video about Manager Practice Area. So the first thing you have to do once you are there, you have to turn editing on. Once you've done that, you can add different blocks to your Moodle course. So, for example, if I click here, I can choose from different blocks, and I'm going to add calendar first. So once I add it, it is here, but I can change settings. So configure calendar block. If I go there, I can decide I will leave the calendar right. On this page it is also right. Okay. I will display it on any course page and save my changes. Then I can go to add a block again. I will choose, let's say, latest announcements. So again I can edit this block, configure it, and I will perhaps move it to the left. So I can choose whether I want it left, right, header, footer. I'll put it in the left column. And on this page also it is going to be on the left side. And I can save my changes. So now my latest announcements are here. I proceed to add another block. I would like to see badges, of course. So latest badges. And again I can configure this block. Number of latest badges to display, let's say only 3. I think it's enough for the latest badges. Where it's going to appear, let's say on the left again, because we have our badges in the left block. Okay. And on this page also on the left. So I save my changes and I have my latest badges here. Okay. Then if I want to see the people, for example, in the course, I go to people and then I can again configure the block. It seems blocks are smaller on the left, so I'll put this on the left as well. Okay. And that's it. I'm going to save changes. Let's see what else is there to be seen. Okay. Notifications. Oh yes, QR code for example. We've got that as well in our course. I can again configure my QR code. I can use default settings and logo. I will put it again on the left. I'll put it first. Okay. And I save my changes. It is here. I forgot to move it to the left, it seems. It says left. Okay, and on this page, also left. Okay, now I save changes. It's going to be on the left side. Okay, there it is. Let me see if there is anything else interesting. upcoming events. Okay, that's also an important one, so that we can see when our live sessions are coming and so on. Okay, so I can also, I'll leave this one right. It is right. Okay. So I'm happy with that. Save changes. And that's it. So I've added several different blocks: calendar, upcoming events, then also latest announcement, badges, participants in the course, and QR code. The only thing left for me to do is to delete them all before I leave. So if I go to settings, to each of the blocks, I can choose delete and choose, do you want to delete it? Yes. And I'll delete all of them, and that is it. Thank you very much. Bye.